and welcome to your Harvest of the Month delivery brought to you by CLA. We run 6 farmers markets across Los Angeles. I'm Krista, and today I'd like to share a juicy, delicious strawberry moment with you. Strawberries are the most popular berry in the United States. If you took all the strawberries grown in California and strung them berry to berry, you would be able to wrap around the world 15 times. And provide every household in the United States 12 pint baskets.
To keep your berries fresh longer, soak them briefly in a bowl of 3 cups of water with 1 cup of vinegar added. Then rinse gently in fresh water. Set out on paper towels to dry completely. Seal in a Ziploc bag and store in the refrigerator. Doing this little vinegar bath can help keep mold from growing and spoiling your strawberries. You can use it for keeping any kind of berry fresh longer.
A half a cup of sliced strawberries provides 80% of the recommended daily value for vitamin C. Strawberries are also a good source of folate, which helps make healthy red blood cells. A quick and tasty strawberry dessert is chocolate-covered strawberries. I love anything with fruit and chocolate, don't you? You're going to melt 1 cup of chocolate in either the microwave in short bursts or on the stove top on about low until your chocolate is nice and melted. Prepare a plate with wax paper for the finished strawberries, and with your dried and clean strawberries, you're going to dip the strawberry into your melted chocolate and swirl it around. Place it onto your wax paper.
A short rest in the fridge and then ready to enjoy with your family.
This week's harvest came to you from local California farm Finca Bonita, a family-run farm located in San Bernadino Valley. I hope you've enjoyed this week's fun tips and quick recipe. I'll see you for next week's harvest delivery. Until then, enjoy your California-grown, juicy strawberries, and I hope to see you at a farmer's market soon.